In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best Ebike conversion kits available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the Ebike conversion kits list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the Ebike conversion kits mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, ZEMAKE Ebike Hub Motor Kit 350W/500W. This high-speed brushless gear hub motor kit is ideal for converting a regular bike into an electric one. Compatible with both 36V and 48V batteries, it delivers 350W or 500W of power for a smooth and efficient ride. Designed for front cassette or rear wheel installation, it offers a simple upgrade for increased speed and performance. Perfect for commuting or recreational cycling, the ZEMAKE kit ensures reliable power and improved versatility. Number 4, BAFANG Mid Drive Kit 750W/1000W. The BAFANG BBS HD and BBS 02B Mid Drive kits provide powerful brushless motors with options ranging from 500W to 1000W. Paired with high-capacity high-long batteries, 13Ah, 17.5Ah, or 20Ah, this kit enhances hill climbing ability and overall bike performance. It's perfect for riders seeking a robust electric bike experience, making it ideal for off-road trails or long-distance commutes. The kit also includes an intuitive display for easy control and monitoring. Number 3, 48V 13.5Ah Electric Mountain Bike Front-Wheel Drive Kit. This 13.5Ah power kit converts mountain bikes into electric-assisted rides with a robust 48V battery. Designed for front-wheel drive, it provides pure electric power, enhancing speed and performance for uphill climbs and long-distance rides. Its easy installation process makes it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts. The kit ensures a reliable and powerful boost, ideal for riders seeking an electric modification without sacrificing agility. Number 2, TONGSHENG TSDZ8 750W Mid-Drive Kit. The TONGSHENG TSDZ8 offers a 750W mid-drive motor for enhanced torque and power distribution. Designed for an effortless upgrade, it includes the B02NU display, which provides detailed ride metrics such as speed, battery status, and pedal assist levels. Ideal for cyclists who want a high-performance, lightweight conversion kit, it offers a smooth and responsive ride experience perfect for both city commuting and trail exploration. Number 1, Electric Bike Conversion Kit 15.5 miles per hour, 31 miles range. This electric bike conversion kit features a powerful 12V 10Ah chargeable battery, offering up to 31 miles of range. With pedal assist functionality, it allows a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, making it ideal for daily commutes or leisurely rides. The tool-free installation ensures an easy setup, transforming any road bike into an efficient e-bike in minutes. Perfect for those seeking a quick and eco-friendly transportation solution.